Okay, so I have made it to Ikea and I'm here with my family. It's quite awkward to vlog in public with this big camera, but हाँ. So यहाँ पे मेरे को 10 minutes का waiting किया हुआ है. This is like first of many trips that's gonna happen for Ikea. And I'm coming here for the first time. Super excited. दिख नहीं रहा होगा मास्क में से, बट मास्क निकाल नहीं सकती मैं. तो ये गाड़ियों के लिए there was like for parking 30 minutes का minimum wait time and हम कैब से आए, कैब में उतरे यहाँ पे and people are still standing here. There's like 10 minutes का wait they have told us for now. So after 10 minutes they'll take us in. Let's hope I get to shop today. काफी doubtful लग रहा है, जैसे यहाँ पे crowd है इतना सारा. Anyway, we are gonna majorly focus on like furnitures, sofa and wardrobes and all, bed. Hopefully I find everything that I'm looking for, and then second round will be for the knickknacks like plants and lights and everything. So yeah, we'll see what we get today. I'll obviously update you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm inside now.
A few moments later.
So what happened basically is they are doing some test inside and only limited people are allowed. So everyone here is just standing and some people are fighting that we were not informed about this in advance, like कल अगर informed. So अगर दोनों vaccinations हो गए तो तुम्हें अंदर entry है without any test. But you need to have that certificate of proof. मेरे पास तो एक भी नहीं है, तो मैं तो खड़ी हूँ आराम से, बट यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को काफी प्रॉब्लम है, तो they are creating a nice little entertainment for me. So we're just standing right now. तो 1 घंटा हो गया I think खड़े रह के, और पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा. अंदर जाने के बाद भी टेस्ट होगा, उसका आधा टाइम लगेगा. बट we came like 2 hours away from my place, so we just wanna finish this. That's why we are waiting. Otherwise नजदीक होता तो मैं तो चली जाती घर पे वापस. Weekends में मत आओ, weekdays में आओ please. We finally got the entry. They let like 50 people inside and then 50 people will be standing outside. 50-50 के group में they are making us wait. तो हम लोग को तो 1-2 घंटे 1 घंटे बाद एंट्री मिली है. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside, if they are doing any test or not, or it's just all a hoax. So guys, हमारा कोविड टेस्ट हो गया यहाँ पे फ्री में. Now we are just waiting for the results to come and then we can go inside the store. It's been 1.5 hours since we have reached this place and सब यही इसी चीज में सब टाइम जा रहा है. I don't know how much time it's gonna take more for the results to come and then we can finally go inside the store. So come during the weekdays, not the weekends, please. Make sure about that. Finally, after waiting for 2 hours, we are in. We made it. Now we'll just go have food and then start shopping. Oh, AC. Thank God. Okay, I can already see stuff that I want here. Okay, let's go up. It actually looks like I came here just for food. We got so much, but it's for 3 people, so it's okay. So guys, this is me trying out their food for the first time. Food review बन गया ये furniture shopping से ज़्यादा. It's very cold. Let's go ahead and try out the veggie balls. Looks yum. It has mashed potatoes, veggies, and I don't know what this is. Let's go ahead and try this out. ये भगवान मैं tripod भूल गई अपना. Tasty नहीं है भाई. It's like some type of food you get outside India. You know वो bland food जो होता है, Indian bland food. Something like that. Jam क्यों दिया है इसके साथ? ठीक है, never mind. I'll finish this. Oh, rice और ये भी खा के देखते हैं. So we have the curry rice ball also. I'll try that out as well. Rice looks good, like basmati rice types. That's saru chal. Okay, we'll eat and we'll see. You guys, there's a pink rug. Kids section में हूँ मैं, by the way. So everything is the kiddish, you know. Look at this night lamp. So cute. It is for 1500 only. Kids के लिए है, please मेरे को ऐसे जज. पर वो आने वाला ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. RGB guys. RGB. Okay. I'm gonna get this. But black में. Where can I find this in black? Getting this to keep my phone and my headphones, so it will look something like that. Oh, this is so cute. I want this. I want this. Oh my god. मेरे को चाहिए ये. This is the lamp. Oh my god, you guys. My dream bedroom is here. I think yeah, this is it. This is what I want, Papa. ये 8000 की सोफा है, इतना छोटू सा है वो. Like this is the stand compared to it. आप समझ सकते हो. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Guys, I really want to get this. Did you see what I said? See, there's a bed on top. And then there's the desk. Perfect for me, no? एकदम perfect है नहीं. Really. Fit भी आ रहा हूँ इसमें. Finally made it to the cupboard section. इतने सारे options है. That's too big for my obviously place. This one I like, but it's full mirror, so I'm not sure if I want to get it. It's completely mirrored. Then we have this option. This is like white one. I like this one also. It's for 20,000 only, which is good. So it's completely white. They've kept this thing, so we'll have to purchase it separately if we want. But mostly it's available. So it's completely empty, but so we'll have to put like shelves and all if you want. But this is nice. Did someone just say walk-in closet? Yeah, you have that option here as well. But sadly, I don't think I can get this. और अगर ये खुला रहेगा बॉम्बे में, I'm just confused. Like if this is open, धूल जम जाएगी रे. सारे कपड़े रोज धोने पड़ेंगे. So हाँ, ये भी अच्छा. I like the bags. This is what I'm gonna do mostly. So this one. I also needed a full-size mirror. Now there are two, three options. This is one, which is black. Then this is one. I like this one more because it has this stand on the back side and I can even hang in clothes here. Like with the rack. And then there's this one as well, जिसके पीछे मैं jewelry भी hang कर सकती हूँ, कपड़े भी यहाँ पे hang हो सकते हैं. And then this is the mirror. I think I like this one more. The light one. Next we have like this door wala. I think this is also good to go. But ये hanging है. ऊपर रखी है. That is in black. That is this one. So काफी options है. और ये तो मतलब it's like the ultimate goal with the lights in it. This one is for So it's individual mirror that they have placed together. So ये एक mirror है पूरा. Nice. और ये सारे mirrors भी है, but this is of no use to me at least. This one though I don't even think of it. ये एक और option to keep mirrors like this. But man. And then there's this. The same mirror, but they can put together. I like this small one. So mirror 4 packs. This is the thing. Tiny one, this is. Then we have this basic one. बस इतने का ही? It's not sturdy, but single bed sofas for the singles. This will actually open up like this, and then you can make it into a bed. ये जो है ये मेरे को पसंद आया, इसमें वाइट अवेलेबल है मोस्टली. Yeah, it can be like double bed and single bed both. And the same thing, we have this option with the bed frame in white. This is also a nice option for wardrobe, but it's mirrored again. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Empty space. Big enough. Here comes the mattress item. I'm so bad I wanna just sleep in this now. So yeah, there are tons of options available right now. I don't think I'm gonna get mattress for but काफी अच्छे मैट्रेसेस हैं, काफी अच्छे ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे. Look at this. Okay, guys, so that was it for this vlog. Now I know you guys might have a lot of questions about the haul and everything, so I'll do a haul separately. And yeah, we are gonna get most of our furnitures, I think all of our furnitures from there itself. थोड़ा बहुत जो है वो हमने Amazon पे भी shortlist किया हुआ है. So we have shortlisted everything, and one thing that I really liked about IKEA is that you can customize your wardrobe completely, and I'm planning to make a separate video on it for sure, so stay tuned for that. If you don't know already, then you can check out their website, उधर भी आप कर सकते हो. तो अगर आप खुद फिगर आउट कर लेते हो तो ठीक है, वरना मैं भी आपको हेल्प कर सकती हूँ in the future if you want. Also make sure you have subscribed to my channel because haul is coming real soon and you guys don't want to miss out on that. So I got few things already for the new house and मैं वापस जाऊंगी तो वो भी vlog करके वो भी upload करके haul डाल दूंगी. So you guys will see everything and yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it and enjoyed it, and if just in case it was helpful. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.